Hey garden family, this is Alima in Dolores' Garden, Zone 8B, Middle Georgia, and today we are putting together our Vego Garden 2-tier garden stand. As you know, we already have a 4-tier garden light stand, but Vego Garden sent me a 2-tier and I wanted to put that together with you. But we will also be starting some seeds. Yay! So let's go ahead and get to this video, and thank you Vego Garden for sponsoring this video. They also sent me a 1020 tray, seating tray. So we will be using that, and I also purchased my own trays from Vego Garden using my discount code. I purchased that on the Black Friday Cyber Monday sale. So let's go ahead and open this up. I have my floor covered with this covering because I will be starting seeds and I don't want to get dirt on my rug. Especially because I'm starting seeds on the inside with all of that dirt. Because as you know, it is cold outside. So we are starting our indoor seed starting. So your season does not have to start when it warms up. You can start your seeds and grow your seedlings on the inside. This is a 2-tier grow light garden stand. It has a beautiful design, allows adaptive lighting for every stage, which is 5 modes, provided optimal light for different plant growth stages with adjustable trays fitting 10-20 seed trays, as you will see when we start to sow some seeds. It's modular and adjustable. As I said before, the trays are removable and height adjustable. Magnetic grow lights adapt to plants of all sizes, creating the ideal growing space. No spill shelves. Water your plants without making a mess. Your shelves double as watering trays with built-in edges to capture excess water. Finished putting together our 2-tier garden stand, grow light stand. We already have the 4-tier. As you see, all of my plants that I have been growing inside using Vego Garden's leafy planter. Let me move this over so you can see, because I am really excited about what I am growing on Vego Garden's 4-tier grow light stand. So here I have my pigeon pea plants. As you see, they are massive and I need to move them. Maybe, well, we still got a little bit more height, but I'm gonna have to start transitioning very soon. And then from this, I have in the leafy planter, I have some lettuce growing, which you see we have been eating, but I'm gonna go ahead and harvest this because we're gonna also plant this. And then down here Down here, I have my herb planter. And as you see, I have some lemon balm here, which all of this will be transplanted. And we will also be planting this today. So let me go ahead and get this stuff out of this, refill it with soil, and then I'll bring you back when it's time to plant. Garden family, we are finished with filling up our Vego Garden trays, and we're going to go ahead and sow some seeds, and then we will place them on the 2-tier garden stand that we put together. And then also I would like to up pot these herbs, get the herbs from out of the herb planter and put them in, so I have that, and we'll do that together. And then the leafy planter, I still don't know what I'm going to grow on that. I have lettuce in that before I grew broccoli. I purchased some collard plants just so I can go ahead and get them out there to get some collards in my freezer, because we ate all the collards. I have no collards in my freezer, so that plan didn't go well because we kept eating them. So yeah, so we're gonna do that. So let's go ahead and get to this video. To shave the time down, I went on ahead and filled up the trays, pre-watered them, had to go out to the shed to get the soil, the potting mix to put inside these 2 planters. So let's go ahead. Oh, let's first start with these seeds that Nardia K sent me. Thank you, girl. My soil sister. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. And no, I did not do the name tags before, which I should have, but I didn't. It's okay. It's okay. We'll be fine. We'll do it. I'll cut that part out. So Pipsqueak trying to get his camera time in. Anyway, let's go ahead and get to it. So she sent me some pepper chili scotch bonnet. So I'm going to do 1 tray of that. I filled the soil over there because I have the covering on my floor because I didn't want to make a mess. Ooh. Oh, they're new. Thank you, girl. Thank you. Try not to make a mess on my floor. So we're going to do 1 tray of scotch bonnet. I am not sowing my tomato seeds yet until the next 2 weeks or so, because I don't want to start them too early. I do not want my tomato plants to be too big and start flowering, be stressed out. I don't want a huge massive transplant. I want them to be healthy and at a good size to go outside. Last time I started them, according to my last frost date, however, I am going to adjust that because I just don't want that. Tomatoes grow really fast. The goal is to start my peppers and my flowers, which you started some peppers with me already, and flowers. But I have these peppers that Nardia K sent me and that I'm going to start, and then flowers that on my schedule that I'm supposed to start the first to second week of February. Let's put this back in here. And we'll just put that down there. And the good thing about starting them in these trays is that I won't have to quickly pot them up, which is amazing because of the depth. And then they have the slits on the side, which allows for airflow. Roots to stretch out will prevent root bound. So that's perfect for me. Okay, so we did scotch bonnet. The second seed that she sent me that she said was really good and wanted me to try because she knows I'm gonna make me a pepper sauce, are the Jamaican yellow mushroom. Oh, girl, what did I say? Mushroom. What the world? Jamaican yellow mushroom. Oh, I don't know what happened there. And if the water from the tank is too loud, I will apologize ahead of time. I'm trying to be very careful because I don't want no dirt all on my floor. It took me a whole day to clean this house. And I'm not trying to do that again. I'm only putting one seed in each cell. Now I do have germination on the seeds that we started together, which are the flowers, and now my peppers are finally coming up. So that's awesome. She also sent me some seeds, look like she saved, from her stash, small, round, fiery chili pepper from Guyana called Wiri, it's W-I-R-I, so wiry pepper. I would think that's how I say it, so correct me if I'm wrong, Nadia K. And thank you so much for sending me these seeds. I do appreciate it. I've never heard of these two varieties, and I think they're gonna go amazing with my pepper sauce. So I'm really excited. And I'll make sure that I put your name on that stick that I'm gonna use for the tag. These are Nadia K peppers. With everything that I am growing, tomatoes, and because make sure I got the seeds in all of them, because I don't want to keep having to buy seeds, and they're only getting more expensive. I like the seed packet that has the little thing. Right. Let me look at my book because I have specific things that I want to plant, and because I have the dates by them. So let me just take a look at my spring flowers. So remember, I was supposed to start the what is it called, Rebecca flowers. I found them in this, so I guess I didn't. I guess I put them in according to when I need to plant them. So let's look for my Rebecca's. Here we go. This is a Rebecca, or Black Susan, Black-eyed Susan. So I want to do this. I thought these were really, really nice. Oh, these are really small seed. That's okay, because we're going to get this. I had learned a trick. I was watching YouTube, and this guy, he's in Jersey, and he just dipped a stick or whatever he was using in some water to pick up one seed. So that's what I'm doing, and it is working. Instead of picking up more than one seed, because I only want to sow one seed, and these seeds are very, very small, it is working. That is perfect. Maybe I should do 2, just to make sure. Well, yeah. Huh. Let's do 2 trays. Because I will want more. These are so pretty. I will want a little bit more than just these 8. We're gonna do carnations, Grenadian King of Blacks. That's what we'll do next. And they require light to germinate. All right, we're gonna go ahead and plant Grenadian King of Blacks. And they require light to germinate. So I will go ahead and press the soil down. These seeds are not small at all. They remind me of onion seeds. I'm only going to do 1 tray of this. We will be doing our asters. I want a lot of plants, and I think I am deciding to use my green stalks for a lot of my flowers and herbs. I did purchase another green stock, which will go by the pool, and that will be filled with herbs. And then the pink one that's out by the grapevine, the, what do they call that one? The cherry blossom that's out by the grapevine will also go by the pool. So I'll have those 2, one maybe with flowers and definitely one with herbs, or it could be both with herbs. It's just whatever I decide. Oh, I found the arboretum blue. Oh, let's go ahead and do the arboretum. Now, a coworker gave me these, so I might put more than 1 in each cell because I'm not sure. I think I've gotten these maybe a year ago, so just to make sure I have germination. And these seeds must be very, very small. They're wrapped up really tight. Oh yeah, they are very, very small. Let me see. Okay. Arboretum seeds need light to germinate also. So I'm just going to press this soil down and put them on top of the soil. Next will be our asters. Let's see. next ones are there are also two different asters. One is a pom-pom, blue and white. And then one is in Peony Duchess, which is apricot. The Peony Duchess. And this is the Aster Pom Pon. All right, next will be our calendulas or calendula. I do plan on making a salve. I have my herb book that I found on Amazon, which I really love. It explains everything. It also gives you the proper dosage and how much you should mix, because I'm not willing to chance putting too much, because too much of anything is not good. And it also explain that to you, so I have to be careful with that, and I like to make sure I'm doing it the right way. So I have this herb book, and it is really very detailed, and I love it. I got that from Amazon, and I could just snap a picture and put a picture of it on the screen, so you'll see which one I'm talking about. All right, calendula, we will do the Pacific Beauty, and then we'll also do the Zelo Lights. So we'll do these two trays for that, and I think that leaves me 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think the last are my Amaranth. This one is darkness aids germination, so that means we will go ahead and bury these seeds. Zeolites. Oh, baby, these big. And with these, I will go ahead and pot them up. Next are the Pacific Beauty. All right, so we did our calendulas. Now it's time for our amaryllis. We have 3 different kinds, and we have 4 trays. So let's do the 3. I did the amaryllis last year, and they did really well. The bugs were more attracted to that than my my other plants. So I will use that as a trap crop. And for its beauty, but it really worked as a trap crop. Oh, we have a delivery. Hot biscuit. And then Pygmy's torch. All right. Next we will plant, I've done this, wait, oh, okay. Amaranth seeds need light to germinate. They are very, very small. Coral fountain. These are really, really small. And a light color too. That's the last of my coral fountain. So I'll need to get some more of that. This is the Pygmy's torch. Oh, these are a little bit darker, so I can see these. They're also still small, but they're dark. My goodness, it was hard seeing the other one. I've never planted this Pygmy's torch. Amaranth. I only have done the hot biscuits and the coral fountain. So this will be a first. Last one is the hot biscuits, which probably I only have a little bit because these are not new seeds. I've been planting this for the past 2 years. And it surely is not. So I have to save some seeds from these. I just have to look up how to do that. Wait, what am I? Yeah. Oh, these are a lot bigger too. I have one more slot. And let's see, our next one we will do, oh, we didn't do the pansies because I didn't have the seeds with me. So we'll do the pansies in this last tray, and then next seed sowing when we are doing our well, we're not supposed to do my marigolds the week 15 through the 21st. Okay, so we're not going to do marigolds today because it's too early for that. Let me see. All right, this does not need light to germinate. Pansies, springtime mixed color. Okay, and that's it. Okay, I need to make a tag for my pansies, and then we can go ahead and get this on the 2-tier grow light stand. Okay, so I have the setting to seeds. I put it closer because some things on here need light to germinate, so that's why we did that, okay? And that's the beautiful thing about these tops, these Vego Garden tops. You can lay your light directly on that so that the light gets closer to your seedlings. Now I have to get another heating mat for here, which I will have to go out to the shed to get that. But for right now, we're just going to go ahead and place it in here. And then this seed starting is complete. Now, Vego Garden does have these individual covers or domes that one you can put water in the top. I don't know if you knew that, because I didn't, and it will drip into here, which will water your seeds. And also, if you have, let's say, germination here but not here, you can use these individual ones to put over it, because they'll still need the humidity to go ahead and help with the sprouting. So let's go ahead and put the full humidity dome on, and then we'll put the light directly on. Okay. Let's close that ventilation. Okay, so that is it for this video, because I still want to take care of that leafy green planter, and then also the herb planter, but I'm going to do that in a separate video because this video was already too long. So there will be a part 2 to this. So thank you so much for joining me, and until next time, my friends, peace and love in Dolores' garden. And if you would like to get anything from Vego Garden, you can always use my discount code, which is always in the description. Thank you so much. Bye.